Hey guys, it's about 6 p.m. on Tuesday night, and we're going to be working on a larger Kaizen project tomorrow. So I wanted to give you guys a quick before, so if I miss it in the morning when there's teardown, I think some of the 3S time is going to be spent doing some of the teardown. Then I'll have kind of a documented before. So let me show you guys what we're working on. So right here, we have two pieces of equipment that we've essentially built a defect department. These two machines are used to fix defects, whether they're engineering defects or brake press defects or laser defects, but they gotta go because we don't have room for defect department. On this side, this is the assembly cell that we built for fabrication, where there's 3 of them and they go step by step by step, one piece flowing through. On the other side, we still have silos. So we have a cell back there and then 2 more silos. So everybody's going in, doing the work by themselves, no one piece flow. Some of the product can go into a booth for over 2 or 3 hours before it's going on to the customer. So we want to get to where we're building that same weld cell on this side. So we're going to tear all this out in the next couple weeks and take care of that. Next, we have all this pallet racking. And one of the things you kind of learn in lean is as you get leaner, you don't need all this pallet racking. So we're going to be moving some of this pallet racking around to help with flow. Right here on this wall, we have the power that we need to move our bandsaw and our belt sander. So our plan is to move it down here so that if they have a defect, they do have to walk a long ways and it hopefully gets flagged so that we can fix it in engineering. Historically, we've always wasted all this space just so that we could run this big forklift through here. And we only need this large forklift because we need it to load our laser. So we're wasting all this space for this large forklift. So we bought a used walkie stacker, and then this thing will live over by the laser and it won't be in the way over here. On these racks, we use a lot of our fixtures for our welding robots. So you can see all these are fixtures. And then over here, there's some more fixtures on the floor and some more fixtures up on this rack. So our plan is to move all this racking around. We're going to turn it this way. All of our fixtures for our weld robot will be right here, which is right behind me is where the welding robot is. Right here. Next, we're going to take all this racking down and we're going to split it. So it's 2 sections and 2 sections. And we're going to move it over here. We're going to put 2 sections here, and then we're going to put 2 sections against the wall, creating an L. So coming from our laser, the product will flow over here, and we will be using this L-shaped rack to kind of stage what we need. We went a little too lean initially, so we kind of bulked up a little bit in some of our work in progress, just so that we have a little bit of supply for the next day. So we're trying to have maybe 2 days. We'll try to stream that out as we get a little better at this. So now the jobs will be here, and then from there, my water spider can pick them, put them onto carts, which we still have to make, and then the carts can roll around. We'll line them up here, and that'll be the start of where the brake press is. After that, my brake presses will grab the carts, they'll bring them right over, they'll do the work onto another cart, and then move that cart down and get it into line with fabrication. We're kind of using this as a test bed environment. We get to move to a new building, we get to set it up, so we kind of want to try some stuff and see how it works or doesn't work here, and then we can either take it or not take it with us to the new building.